Welcome. In front of me is a HMD Skyline, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application, which probably will be located in the Google folder, and it is. And before I go into the importing, I am going to quickly just mention a couple of things. So right now you're seeing contacts that are being displayed from the Google account. You can see the icon right here for the account. If you tap on that icon, you can also change it to, for instance, different Google accounts, and that will obviously display whatever contacts are on said accounts. And additionally, you might also have the option to display contacts from the device. Right now, the only option for me is the Google account, as this is the only location where I have any kind of contacts. Anyway, so to get started, we're gonna select right here Fix and Manage, and then we're gonna select Manage SIM. This in turn will display all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. By default, they should all be selected as long as none of these contacts already exist on the device itself, or well, the Google account in this case. Additionally, you can see that there is a drop-down menu under the Manage Contacts with the Save To, and it selects the Google account. This is the default location where the device will try to import contacts to, as long as there is an actual Google account signed in. If there isn't, you will not see this at all, and it will only import contacts to the device. As this would be the only option where it can import contacts, it just removes the drop-down as there is nothing for you to choose from. Anyway, once you select the location where you want to import your contacts to, you can also deselect contacts that you might not want, and then just click on Import. This will import all selected contacts, and when you go back to your contact list, you should have them visible right here. Additionally, now that I have imported contacts, when I go back to Manage SIM, you can see that all of them are grayed out because all of these exist on my device, or well, on the Google account. So it's stopping me from importing them twice. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.